Hello dear students, good morning everyone. This is the third lecture related to class 9 physics from 4th chapter, that is work, energy and power. In today's lecture we will discuss about the concept of energy. In previous two lectures, as we discussed about the concept of work and its types with examples and also derivation of formula. But in this lecture we will try to understand about the concept of energy and the types of energy that is given in your class 9th standard. Mainly two types, potential energy and kinetic energy. But except these two, there are so many types of energy. We will discuss in short. But see the concept of energy. Energy, especially the concept of work. Whenever work is done on any object or in any process, then that work is stored in the form of energy. We will derive formula for potential energy and kinetic energy both on behalf of the concept of work. But whenever we are doing some work, then there is a concept of force, and whenever force available, then there is a chance of displacement, and displacement whenever going on with the help of force, then the concept of work here, that is done by the force, is stored, or you say that conserved in the form of energy. Let's see. The ability of doing work. Ability of doing work is defined as energy. Very simple concept. Work whenever done, then there is a concept of energy, because that work is on behalf of energy. I will say that when the work is done, then that work is stored in the form of energy. Whenever anybody performing work, it means there is a storage of energy, and that energy converting into work. Just reverse of this, whenever work is done, then the work is stored in the form of energy. So work and energy, we can say that both are equivalent to each other. So just after this simple definition, another definition. When the work is done by a force, then the work is stored, and the work is stored in the form of energy. Simple concept. Work is done by a force, then the work is stored in the form of energy. SI unit of energy, SI unit of energy is joule. As like the energy of any object, whenever measured, Then there is a concept of force and displacement. So the another unit of energy is what? Newton meter. Because work, that is equal to force into displacement, and work unit joule, that's why energy unit also joule, and work formula, that is force into displacement, so force unit Newton and displacement unit meter. So in this way the concept of energy very easy. Energy means that is the concept of work done. Whenever work is done in displacing any object, then that work is stored in the form of energy. And then after this, types of energy. In class 9th standard, that is very necessary to learn out mainly two types, potential energy and kinetic energy. But except these two, there are so many types of energy. Just before starting the main two types, listen about the different types of energy. That is chemical energy, thermal energy. Chemical energy means that is based on some chemical reactions. Whenever chemical reactions, I will say that whenever the reaction takes place in any process, and in that process the energy either released or absorbed, that energy is what? Chemical energy. And thermal energy, when the temperature increases or you say that decreases in any process, then in that process the energy either absorbed or released, that is thermal energy. And then the next concept, that is wind energy. The energy of wind, it means blowing air, also having energy. So a lot of energy types except two main types. So we will discuss first of all the main two types, potential energy and kinetic energy. First, potential energy and second, kinetic. Second one, kinetic. Potential energy and kinetic energy, the concept of potential and kinetic, that is based on their name. Potential means what? That is a term that gives an idea about the rest, and kinetic means terms which gives an idea about the motion. Just see, first, potential energy. Potential energy. The energy of a body due to its configuration. Position, height above the earth's surface. Is defined as potential energy. Is defined as potential energy. Very simple concept. The formula for potential energy: whenever a body of mass m raised up to height h above the ground level, it means the position of an object above the ground level, that is represented by small h, and acceleration due to gravity is what? Small g, and mass of the object is m, then potential energy is equal to what? mg. Yes, this is the formula for potential energy. We will derive formula potential energy Pe is equal to mgh in next lecture, but in this lecture we will try to understand about the concept of definition. And second one, kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. The energy of a body due to its motion. The energy of a body due to its motion. Motion, I will say that movement, no matter, both having same concept. The energy of a body due to its motion is defined as kinetic energy. Suppose a body of mass m moving with velocity v, then kinetic energy formula, very simple formula. Just see what is the concept of kinetic energy formula. Ke is equal to 1/2 mv square. K is equal to what? 1/2 mv square. So about the formula of kinetic energy and potential energy, the concept of mass available in both cases, and here gravity dependent. It means whenever gravity becomes zero, then the potential energy becomes what? Zero. But whenever body lies on Earth's surface, then there is a concept of acceleration due to gravity, because any body having smallest mass, then there is acceleration due to gravity towards the center of Earth. It means whenever body having mass, then there is a chance of acceleration due to gravity, and whenever mass and gravity available, then the position of body above the Earth's surface also available, either in meter or centimeter, in millimeter, or in micrometer or nanometer, in picometer. Any one smallest unit can be taken, but always having available the value of h. Whenever m, g and h all are available, then there is a concept of potential energy. And same as whenever body having mass and moving with velocity, then there is a chance of what? Kinetic energy. Clear? So concept of potential energy and kinetic energy very easy. And examples of kinetic energy, just like moving cars on road, walking man, flying birds in sky, all having kinetic energy. But in case of flying birds, there is also concept of potential energy as well as kinetic energy. So potential energy example, book kept on the table, hanging fan, any one object, or you say that mountain also having interest, it means what? Potential energy. So concept of potential energy and kinetic energy very easy. When you just try to understand, everything will be clear. So except these two, there are so many types also. I just explained. Listen again. Except these two, chemical energy, thermal energy, tidal energy, geothermal energy, solar energy, mechanical energy, there are so many types of energy. Or you say that electrical energy in some cases, or heat energy, nuclear energy. So there are so many types except these two, but in detail you have to study about only potential energy and kinetic energy. So about derivation we will discuss in lecture number 4. But if any problem in the definition of energy, either on behalf of ability or on behalf of work concept, then you can ask. And the SI unit very simple, that is joule, and I will say that Newton meter, where 1 joule is equal to what? 1 Newton meter. The types mainly potential energy and kinetic energy. So that's all for today. Have a nice day.